just pulled up to the spot. We're gonna do an hour-long moto today, and we're training for RIMROCK this next weekend. I'll be racing the Vet B class, which is long course, which I believe is 2.5 hours. But yeah, we're out here midweek on a Wednesday, early in the morning, just trying to get some laps done. And I brought my friend Jacob with me. He's gonna help do some filming. We're gonna see if we can be fast today. So we just did a sight lap. I think the suspension feels pretty good right now. I'm gonna do another lap and I'm gonna run about 80%. I'm gonna wear Jacob's watch so I can get the lap time and how many miles it is. And then we can calculate how many miles I can do in 1 hour. We just finished the lap at 80%. The rear suspension actually feels a little bit too soft, so I'm gonna go up like 3 clicks. I actually bottomed out over here on like a little jump that was like, 2 or 3 feet tall. We're gonna tighten that up. One lap was 2.8 miles, and we're gonna try and run that for an hour, and it was about 8 minutes. I don't know, I can do the math later, but we'll see how many laps we can get in today. So we made it back to the house, and we're gonna actually get ready for work. If you guys like this content, let me know. I'm just basically trying to show you guys how I'm training in the off season. The Nork series just ended, so there's like 6 months between now and the next Norks race. You're just trying to get out there midweek and do some motos. All the fast guys say that you're supposed to be on the bike 4 or 5 days a week, but I know all of us have jobs and, trying to ride as much as we can. Yeah, it's difficult to get out there midweek and ride before work or after work. So thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Talk to you later.